We are the Earthquake Brothers, and we're here to tell you how to survive an earthquake. Thinking caps. Tip number 1. First, stay put inside a safe and steady building. Do not go outside.
What not to do?
You want to get under a steady piece of furniture.
What to do?
Make sure to cover your head and neck.
What to do? What not to do?
Do not stand next to trees or windows.
What not to do?
Wait, you can't stand next to trees.
I am the tree.
What to do?
Distance, keeping my distance.
Make sure to strap your water heaters to the wall or the roof.
Thank you guys for watching.
Peace out.
What?